In today's session, we shall discuss the condition for a line to touch the circle, which is named as condition of tangency. To find out that one, here the problem or question is derive the condition for the line Lx plus My plus N equal to 0 to touch the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Here s equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is the given circle. Given line Lx plus My plus N equal to 0. Suppose this is the circle whose equation is represented by s equal to 0. S means x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. And a line is touching this circle, that is Lx plus My plus N equal to 0. Center C. Center coordinates are minus g minus f. Radius, this distance is nothing but radius. If a line touches the circle, the primary condition is perpendicular distance from center is always equal to radius. Keeping that point in mind, first circle equation is this, and L equal to Lx plus My plus N equal to 0. Its center minus g minus f, radius root of g square plus f square minus c, perpendicular distance of center minus g minus f from Lx plus My plus N equal to 0. Formula from our first year formula, modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by root a square plus b square, that is L into minus g plus m into minus f plus n by root L square plus m square. Lg plus mf minus n by root L square plus m square equal to, what is the formula for radius? Root of g square plus f square minus c. Lg plus mf minus n whole square is equal to L square plus m square into g square plus f square minus c. We can take up this one as condition of tangency of the line Lx plus My plus N equal to 0 with the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Yesterday or in the last class, we have discussed one point, y equal to mx plus c touches x square plus y square equal to r square. Then the condition is c equal to plus or minus r root 1 plus m square. R root 1 plus m square. That condition we have discussed. What is the difference between these two? Here the center is minus g minus f other than origin, and here the center is at origin. In two different cases we have taken up this one. Next, here we are supposed to discuss two important points. One is power of a point and the other is position of the point. These 2 points we shall discuss. What is meant by power of the point? Here this is the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Outside to this one, there is a point x1, y1. Center This is CQ. Center coordinates are minus G minus F. Radius root of G square plus F square minus C. Point P x1 y1. Here consider the point CP square minus R square. What is CP square? X1 plus G whole square y1 plus F whole square minus R square. What is R square, sir? G square plus F square minus C. Then what will you get? X1 square plus G square plus 2gx1 y1 square plus F square plus 2FY1 minus G square minus F square plus C. G square, F square, F square. Then what will you get? X1 square plus Y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2FY1 plus C, which is nothing but, in our standard notation, it is S11 called power of a point. Power of a point with respect to S equal to 0. Power of a point with respect to S equal to 0. That is the given circle. And in continuation to this one, here this is a right angle triangle, because if a line touches the circle, definitely radius will be perpendicular to tangent. Therefore, this is a right angled triangle. You can use even Pythagoras theorem also to obtain this one. When this is 90 degrees, this is nothing but hypotenuse. Radius you know and length PQ, distance between these two, we have to find out. Apart from that, this method will be easy. And this particular point, this length is called length of the tangent. This is called length of the tangent. This is called length of the tangent. Next one. Shall I rub this one, sir? Next one. Next one, what we have to take up is standard notation which we use, in general we use in circles. Let us have an idea and we shall go for finding out equation of normal also. That is notation. We can put up the heading notation. What is notation, sir? Notation. S equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to c. You need not write down equal to. That is always yes in circles chapter is concerned. S1 xx1 plus yy1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c. S11. What is S11, sir? What is S11? x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. That is S11. Next one, S12. What is S12? x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus g into x1 plus x2 f into y1 plus y2 plus c. S22. x2 square plus y2 square plus 2gx2 plus 2fy2 plus c. Normal to the circle at the given point. Let us take up circle equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. And x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 is the circle. Its center is minus g minus f and radius is root of g square plus f square minus c. Let us differentiate this one. X square derivative 2x, y square derivative 2y dy by dx, 2g into x derivative 1, 2f into y derivative dy by dx. Take up dy by dx common, 2y plus 2f equal to minus 2x plus 2g. Dy by dx equal to minus of x plus g by y plus f. Slope of tangent minus of g plus x1 by f plus y1. Equation of normal according to calculus is y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by dy by dx into x minus x1. Y minus y1 equal to f plus y1 by g plus x1 into x minus x1. What happened to this minus symbol? Minus 1 here. In dy by dx value itself is having minus. Minus into minus plus. 1 by means take the reciprocal of this one. That's what I wrote. Take g plus x1 to left side. Bring all values to one side, which gives us the final equation of normal to the circle. The same we can even derive in a different way. That is, circle equation is this. Center minus g minus f and the given point is px1 y1. This is tangent. If you draw a perpendicular line to this one, definitely it will pass through center. This CP line, inward direction it is radius, outward direction it is normal. You can even derive the equation using perpendicular line principle also. In any one of the ways we can get the equation of normal to the circle. At the same time, suppose center is 0 0, let us say, that means the circle selected to us is having equation x square plus y square equal to r square. What is its center? 0 0. Center is 0 0. So in the place of g and f, if you just put 0 0, what will you get? Y1 into x minus x1 minus g value 0, x1 into y minus y1. After simplification, xy1 minus x1y equal to 0. This is representing equation of normal to the circle whose equation is x square plus y square equal to r square. In this circle chapter, we will be having two different types of equations everywhere. One is circle with center 0 0, other is circle with center other than 0 0. So in both the cases we have derived this one now. Okay, in both the cases we have derived that one. The equation of tangent, the equation of tangent in slope form is y equal to mx plus or minus r root 1 plus m square. Y equal to mx plus or minus r root 1 plus m square. This is, suppose if you take up square on both sides, y minus mx whole square equal to r square into 1 plus m square. M square x square minus 2mxy plus y square minus r square into 1 plus m square equal to 0. If you observe this one carefully, this is a quadratic equation in terms of m. So, since the power power of m is 2. Power of m is 2. We can state that from an external point, two tangents can be drawn. Two tangents can be drawn. From an external point, two tangents can be drawn. That what does it mean? If you take up a circle, outside to the circle, if there is any point, from that point you can draw two lines, two tangents. Without drawing this one, we can decide just by observing the equation as the power is 2. Okay. Next one. Sarena? Of the tangent. Given circle equation is, as I have marked out here, S equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Radius center minus g minus f. Radius root of g square plus f square minus c. Since this is a right angle triangle, according to Pythagoras theorem, sum of squares of two sides equal to square of the third side. Sum of squares of two sides, pt square plus tc square equal to cp square. Pt square value we are supposed to find out. Cp square minus tc square. Cp square minus, this is nothing but radius r square. What is Cp square? x1 plus g whole square plus y1 plus f whole square minus r square g square plus f square minus c. x1 square plus g square plus 2gx1 y1 square plus f square plus 2fy1 minus g square minus f square plus c. G square, f square. Then what will you have? x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. Pt, length of tangent means only pt but not pt square. Pt equal to root of x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. That is root s11. Pt value is how much? Root s11. Pt value is root s11. The equation of the circle whose center and radii are given. Here center is 2 minus 3, radius is 4. What is its equation? Formula x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equal to r square. So equation x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square equal to 16. You can expand that one or you can keep that one as it is. In any one of the ways you can. This is our first model. This formula we have to apply when center is given and radius is given. Based on this, as assignment, I will give you two problems. You try to work out those ones. Number 1, center minus 1 to radius 5. Number 2, center a comma minus b are equal to a plus b. Third also you can do, center minus 7 minus 3 are equal to 4. These three are, you can take these three as assignment or homework. Find the center and radius of the following circles. Find the center and radius of the following circles. Find the center and radius of the following circles. Number 1, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y minus 41 equal to 0. Find the center and radius of the following circles. Here, this is in the form x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. G equal to minus 2, f equal to minus 4. C equal to minus 41. R equal to root of g square plus f square minus c. Center coordinates according to our well-known formula minus g minus f, which gives us 2, 4. R equal to root of g square 4, f square 16 plus 41. 41 plus 20, 61. Root 61. We determined radius, at the same time we determined center coordinates. How to obtain center coordinates? Half of x coefficient with the change of symbol is x coordinate. Half of y coefficient with the change of symbol is y coordinate. Radius formula is root of g square plus f square minus c. Based on this, I will give you 2 problems as homework. Those 2 are Model 2 homework problems. Number 1, 3x square plus 3y square minus 5x minus 6y plus 4 equal to 0. Number 2, 2x square plus 2y square minus 3x plus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. Third also I will give you, that is x square plus y square plus 2ax minus 2by plus b square equal to 0. These 3 problems you can take as assignment for Model 2. For Model 2. Now we shall take up third model. For Model 2, these 25 of the equation of circle whose extremities of diameter are given. This is our Model 3. Formula x minus x1, x minus x2, y minus y1, y minus y2 equal to 0. X minus 1 into x minus 4, y minus 2 into y minus 6 equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 5x minus 8y plus 4 plus 12, 16 equal to 0, which gives us equation of the circle whose extremities of diameter are given. Based on this, you can take up 2 more problems as assignment. For the next class, you try to complete those 2 problems along with the problems given earlier as assignment. Here you take up for Model 3, homework problems are minus 4, 3, 3 minus 4. What is the equation of circle? Equation of circle. Find equation of circle. You have to be extremities of diameter. Extremities of diameter. In the similar way, another problem you can take up. 1, 2, 8, 6. Third one, 4, 2, 1, 5. So these 3 problems come under Model 3. When extremities of diameter are given, find equation of the circle.